Well, good morning, class. Here's today's lesson. This is Friday, September 29th. We're going to graph on the XY coordinate the following. I'm going to go to the y-intercept of 4. From there, the slope is up 3 over 1. Look at that. I went up 4, then I went up 3 over 1. When we have a greater than sign, that means a dotted line. A greater than or equal to would be a solid line. I'll explain more on that later. Now, when the y is on this side, it is great shape. It makes so much sense. This says y is greater than. Greater says above, and we would shade above. Much better than I did. All right, the next one. I'm going to go to a y-intercept of -1, about right there, because it's negative down 1 over 5. This is an or equal to. Do you know that uses more ink to do a less than or equal to? More ink, a solid line uses more ink. More ink. That's a funny thing to say. We've got y is less than or equal to. Less than says below. I'll shade in below. Hopefully you shade better than I did. All right. Y is not alone. Get it alone. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. By the way, you can pause this video, make it go faster, slower, so many things. Y is greater than 2x plus 4. On that graph paper, I'm going to go to 4, a slope of up 2 over 1. Here, maybe you can see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2 over 1. This sign doesn't use a lot of ink because it doesn't have the . A dotted line doesn't use a lot of ink. And we want greater than, which says above. Cool. Hey, when I divide by -5 on the next one, I'm going to have to flip the sign. I'm still mad at whoever got me sick. I divided by -5. The inequality changed. 20 divided by 5, both negative, is +4, +6. Because a less than or equal uses a lot of ink, it's going to be a solid line. I'm going to go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did that. Up 4 over 1. Solid line. If y is on that side, it says y is less than. Less than says below, shade in better than I did. For notes right now, if it is a greater than or a less than sign right there, that is dotted. That doesn't use much ink. Ooh, for notes that uses a lot of ink, that is a solid line. All right. Real quick, x equals 6 on a number line. Well, that'd just be, boom, 6, a little dot. X is greater than 6 on a number line. Morning, do you want to be on my school video?
What did you say?
Do you want to be on today's, look, it's today's learning video. It's Eddie Puglisi, Woodbury at Royal. You're on today's learning video, Eddie, and Mr. Struss just walked by too. Oh, that adds fun. Wow, Eddie Puglisi and Mr. Struss. On a number line, x is greater than 6, looks like that. Now on the xy axis, well, here's what we do. We go to 6. It would have been an open circle, so that means it's going to be a dotted line because not a lot of ink. And greater than 6, whereas we went out here like this, we shade out here like this. X, Mr. Ron, my retired colleague, calls it a vertical line. X equals or X is greater, X is a vertical line. And then y equals 5. On a number line, well, that'd be weird, but it would have to be an up and down number line, and we'd be at 5. Up and down a number line y less than 5, well, that would be a circle going down. That would be weird. But on a xy axis, Cartesian coordinate system, for those of us in the biz, it would be an open circle at 5 going down. Well, open circle would mean a dotted line, and we would shade down below. Awesome. You can ask me questions, but we're going to try this today, which is September 29th, 23. It's raining out, and I'm going to try to talk to all of you in class too. Goodbye.